Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to point out to you some major talking points and features of this stunning 430D M Sport Coupe. Presented in the black sapphire metallic. Alongside that, of course, we fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. You'll also see there it comes with the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels, which we've had fully refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. Sitting behind them alloys, you will see there that it does come with the M Sport Plus pack, that's signified by the M Sport Plus brakes. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2016 16 plate. Also has the very nice Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. At the side of the car, you'll also see it has the BMW gloss black air breathers. Alongside that, we have added the satin sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Alongside those very nice alloys, it does come all the way around with the premium run flat tyres. And at the rear windows, you'll see there, of course, thanks to that Plus pack once again, we've got the sun protection glazing. The interior is the very nice black Dakota leather, which of course works very nicely with all of the exterior colours. And again, it comes with both the heated, electric movement and memory. And we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound once again, thanks to that superb Plus pack. The rear seat configuration for the 4 Series is a ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement, a centre folding armrest and that centre storage tray. And again, trying to show off as best as possible that this vehicle is in fantastic condition throughout. And of course you get that wonderful darkened M Sport headlining. We've also got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox in this car, and of course we'll take a closer look at that shortly. Moving on towards the rear of the car, again showing you off those fantastic alloys. So at the very rear, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser. Not only have we got that fantastic 3-litre engine, we've also got BMW's very sophisticated Xdrive 4-wheel drive system on board. And although we have got, of course, that 4-wheel drive system there, it does not take anything away from your large luggage capacity or passenger compartment, which is of course always a big positive. Moving around onto the other side of the car, where again we can show you off that this black sapphire metallic not only works very nicely with all of the additions we've made here, but alongside all in very nice condition. Moving forward, I'm going to go ahead and take a seat inside the car in just 1 second, and of course show yourselves around a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Of course, starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen you can see there. And I'll also start the car up and just run yourselves through a couple of the other functions. So multimedia wise, you of course get music collection and your external devices, which covers you right the way through from Bluetooth audio all the way through to AUX. We also get DAB radio along with the fantastic satellite navigation system, and we also get Bluetooth for telephone. Down here is where we find the controls for our dual climate control and the switches for these lovely heated seats. As I mentioned, it is the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, so we get these lovely paddles. Also on our multi-function M Sport steering wheel, we find the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, as you can see there. The vehicle itself has covered just over 41,000 miles, and hopefully throughout this video, once again, you've been able to see it is in superb condition. And of course, with all of the nice extras, including that superb 4-wheel drive system, really is a very nice car indeed. So just quickly run you through the service history for the car. As you can see there, we have got 2 stamps from BMW on the digital service history, and alongside that we are going to be carrying out a service ourselves in-house, in our in-house workshop of course, as it is coming up to our service parameters, which we have of course very strict measurements on. So there you go, hopefully you've been able to enjoy this walk around video of this fantastic 430D M Sport Xdrive. For any further information, remember to take a look down in the description, where you will of course find a link to our website along with direct contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car. Once again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. Take care, thank you and goodbye.